everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making kielbasa chili. What all goes into the kielbasa chili? 1 pound kielbasa sausage sliced, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced. I've got the already minced stuff. 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, 1 can 14.5-ounce diced tomatoes, 1 can 15 ounces black beans drained and rinsed, 1 can 15 ounces of kidney beans drained and rinsed, 2 cups beef broth, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, salt and pepper to taste, and an optional toppings like shredded cheese, sour cream, Fritos, chopped green onions. So let's begin. Take a large pot over medium heat, brown your kielbasa. Once the kielbasa is brown, remove them from the pot and set aside. Then add your onions and your garlic, 2 cloves of garlic. The kielbasa was 1 pound. Actually, mine was 14 ounces. Saute the onions and the garlic until softened. And this gets up all of those little brown bits as well, so it's going to have more flavor. After the onions and garlic are softened and the garlic is fragrant, add your 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 6-ounce can of tomato paste, 15-ounce can of kidney beans, drained and rinsed, 15-ounce can of black beans, drained and rinsed, your 2 cups of beef broth. You can have low sodium if you want. Mine isn't. 1 tablespoon of the chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, salt and pepper to taste. Give that a good stir. Then add your 1 pound of sliced kielbasa and stir that. I'm backwards because Buddy's in my way. Bring it up to a boil. Once it is boiling, reduce heat and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. So the kielbasa chili is done. Fix it however you normally fix your chili. We like to have Fritos. And then we put the chili. A dollop of sour cream. And some cheddar cheese on top. So here is the kielbasa chili. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Is this some kind of chili?
It is. It's kielbasa chili.
Oh, okay. It's pretty interesting. Actually, kind of carries the flavor of this, of the sausage. It's pretty good. It's got kind of a standard chili flavor, but the sausages do stand out in that. I like it. It's good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.